I'm wasting my life. In this video, we're gonna be talking about 3 things I found that drain the absolute shit out of me every day. And then we're gonna be talking about 3 things that I believe you can apply to your life and hopefully make you not feel like you're wasting your life. Let's get into it. First drainer is comfort. In today's world, there's comfort left, right. You can order your food home. You can order groceries home. Man, you can order fucking sex home.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You could just live your life in your bed and occasionally go to the toilet. And once a week, take a shower, bro. That's nasty. Comfort is the very first drain. It leads to the second drain, which is complacency. Complacency is basically just feeling comfortable in your life situation as it is right now, but not feeling great and not feeling too bad either. It's like that nasty gray zone between fuck my life, what the hell am I doing? And between fucking, oh yeah, bro, I love jumping out of my bed in the morning, bro. It's 5 a.m. I'm gonna hit that fucking workout right there. Oh my god, everything I'm doing is feeling so fulfilling. You have your purpose and whatever, man. And what's really nasty about this gray zone is actually it's more like a black hole. Once you're in it, it's quite difficult to get. This is how it looks. You have no drive, you have no goals, you're just comfortable. You got, of course, you got fucking YouTube videos every day. You got TikTok, you got Instagram Reels, man. You got free time.
Trayvon, just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Go, just go.
What'd I do?
Maybe you don't have free time. Maybe you have a job that you fucking hate. Maybe you have a job that you're like, it's alright. I mean, I don't really care. You get home, same shit every day, and you be like, what the hell did I even do, man? It's like some fucking mist, some fucking fog, brain fog. It's like this SpongeBob episode with fucking Squidward being in Squidward estate or whatever resort that was with all the Squidwards, man. Every day was the same and shit started to not be fulfilling. That's what's really dangerous about complacency, because it's number one, the lack of awareness that there is a problem. Because the problem is you're actually not feeling that great about your life, and at the same time you're not feeling too bad that you'll get into a position where your anxiety or your like worst case depression pushes you towards a better life. To get out, like you have to want to get out. You really have to want to grow. You have to want to change something. Albert Einstein or something, everybody knows this quote. It's like, insanity is trying the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Doing the same comfortable habits that keep you in this position and expecting that one day you're magically gonna wake up and bam, magically the day is great. Magically the rest of your life from there on is great. With no change, that just doesn't work. Number 3 of the drainers, consumption. Basically what you're doing right now. My nose is puffed out. What's going on? Jesus Christ. Take this shit out. Great. Cam's still rolling. Anyways, consumption. It's like a subcategory of comfort, but it's such a big drainer in itself. Like, it deserves its own position. Today's world is just designed to consume, and like, if it's junk food, content, whatever the fuck, what you're doing right now is consumption. Right? Now the difference is, are you consuming to actually learn something from this video, or are you consuming because you're just eating your breakfast right now, not knowing what the fuck to do, and because you are an iPad kid just like me, when I eat, you need something to watch, and that's right here, consumption. The thing is, it can be really nice if you use it to actually learn shit, but especially in the self-improvement community, and I've seen this with myself, I'm still seeing this to this day with myself. I watch self-improvement videos whilst eating, often for just entertainment now. I've replaced fucking Rick and Morty type shit with self-improvement, with some guy shouting at me through the camera telling me, motherfucker, what the fuck are you doing right now? And now I've become exactly that guy. But yeah, consumption right there. We're consuming too much shit. Too much TikTok, too much Instagram Reels, too much YouTube Shorts. Man, they got shit everywhere. Once you're in it, you're sucked in, man. You're like, you keep on scrolling. You know you're not. You know it's not good, bro. You know, with each scroll, you're like, what the fuck? I'm disrespecting my future self right here. You're just draining your energy. Then at the end of like fucking 2 hours social media, which felt like 20 minutes, you're like, what the actual fuck? You turn off your phone and you feel empty. That's literally the most evident feeling of one of these drainers. Let's get into the antidote. Let's get into the 3 things you can implement in your fucking daily life to combat comfort, complacency, and consumption. The very first antidote right against comfort is challenge. You want to challenge yourself. yourself. You've created a comfort zone so big, it's not just hard to get out now, which is complacency right there. It's like almost impossible. The best thing you can do for yourself is set yourself a challenge. Do something that you find challenging, something new, something that you can grow with. Maybe it's a new hobby. Maybe it's trying up something creative, drawing, maybe writing poems or some shit. Maybe making a YouTube channel, creating something, you know? Anything new. You want to introduce some form of challenge into your day-to-day life and start really small, almost humiliatingly small, to get you out of that comfort zone. Because out of the comfort zone, that's really where the growth happens, not inside. And that brings us to our second antidote, which is your calling, your purpose. I get really passionate when I talk about purpose because I'm not sure what my purpose is. I don't know what to do with my life right now. Someone said, if you look at your calendar and you look at how you spend your time, that will tell you exactly what you value. And when I look at my calendar and how I spend my time, I value sport. I value my health. I value my sleep. Basically, everything that has to do with growing, becoming a better version of myself, which is basically self-improvement, what self-improvement is all about. But there's really something else that's kind of missing. It's not really that fulfilling anymore to spend most of your time, most of your time sleeping, eating healthy, going to the gym, doing the same stuff over and over again. Just because you're in self-improvement doesn't mean you can't become complacent still or have bad habits. I've been complacent with my self-improvement, with a daily routine that seems really productive. Wake up, go jogging, jog straight into the gym, hit a nice workout, walk back home, make a really fucking delicious breakfast. Nutritious and delicious breakfast. Take a cold shower. For me, often watch self-improvement content, go outside, do other stuff. I don't know, it seems like a really nice, productive start into the day. But it just loses its fulfillment. At least for me, it did. That's where really trying new things out, nice new challenge, is really refreshing. The latest new challenge I've been introducing into my life has been bouldering. Bouldering is so fun. It's a nice new challenge. It's something sporty. I love movement. I love doing shit outside. So that's a really nice challenge, a really nice hobby as well. I've been doing this now since 2 or 3 weeks. Bouldering is great. You should try it. Yeah. So your purpose. You need something. You need like a nice, fulfilling reason to get out of your bed in the morning, to really jump. It's actually funny because in Japanese they have a word which is ikigai, and there's also nice books about that which I've read as well, highly recommend. Ikigai, and then we got the little book of ikigai. So ikigai means the reason you get up in the morning. It's basically your purpose, The very reason why I've created this YouTube channel is to try out something new, to add challenge to my life, to share what I'm learning from the books I'm reading, from my own life experience, from other people's experiences on this journey towards purpose. Just a dude trying to find his purpose, man. I believe nowadays, especially Gen Z, our age, I'm 20, and people our age, I feel like we're really fucked. I don't even want to know what's gonna happen with Gen Alpha, man. But our generation is quite fucked. I think most of us don't know what the fuck we're doing. Most of us don't know what the fuck we want to do. And I'm not excluding last generation there either. I've talked to people in their 30s who are like, hey, motherfucker, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Like, I'm doing this job, but like, I still don't know what I want to do. When I heard them say that shit scared the shit out of me, because I'm like, what the fuck, bro? I'm 20, I don't want to drift through life like a leaf in a windy ass weather for another 10 years, man. Like, shit. But at the same time, you can do things to find your purpose. Well, the things that I've been told through books and other people that really help find your purpose is number one, and this comes from the book Ikigai, put yourself into an environment where there are no distractions. I personally would go to nature there, and every time I am actually in nature, it's like some weird pressure is lifted. Bro, you can chill, you can breathe fresh motherfucking air here. You can just listen to birds, listen to the leaves. There's something really nice about that, man. Because in nowadays world, you can't even let your brain think, man. There's this notification, there's that notification, there's that YouTube video recommended to you by the algorithm, there's those reels on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, that you can be watching. Like, when in today's world do you give your brain time to actually just unload, to actually just think for a fucking second? And that's the goal of that, to just let your brain put out the thoughts, whatever it wants, and just chill with that and look within yourself. Do some reflection. Ask yourself really important questions like about your values, about your goals. Look into your childhood. This is what Robert Greene says in his book, also Mastery, that there can be some heavy-hitting clues in your childhood toward what you really want to do. Actually, it's interesting. I will be following that advice. My strategy right now towards finding my purpose is just doing shit, doing those new challenges, bouldering. It's trying out new hobbies, reading a lot from people that are where you want to be in life. Like they have purpose. I don't know. I think I'm a very, I don't know if you call it like that, kinesthetic, kinesthetics, whatever. Somebody who loves doing shit. Also movement, to learn, to find out, to try out new things. I love sporty activities. I love bouldering. I love biking. I just went on a bike trip as well. Really nice. But yeah, purpose right there. And one of my favorite books, which is called The Way of the Superior Man, which sounds so controversial, the title, but you just gotta read some pages about it, and it's no fucked up macho shit or some shit. It has some nice chapters on purpose, and it says basically, if you haven't found your purpose yet, make finding your purpose your purpose. That could be it. Or right now my purpose might just be really improving in so many areas in my life toward becoming that better version of myself, which changes every day, which is also a nice cycle. You never attain that best version of yourself because every next day you could be better. Well, that's purpose right there. Number 3 of the antidote, of the energizers, is, what was it? Creation. What I'm doing right now, basically. You want to move from consuming so much to more creating something. One of my favorite books. Right here. One of the messages in that book is actually that feeling like you're contributing to society plays a major role in your happiness. In the book, there's 2 ways: contributing with your service, whatever you do, or contributing through your being, just existing. The example they gave is you've been very heavily injured and you're just like in a hospital. You got your family around you. In that moment, you're really happy that they're there. To you, their existence right now is actually a contribution to society, to you. Yeah, that's another level. But with creativity, what I'm talking about here is the contribution through service, through doing something, through giving value, feeling like you're giving value. I'm thinking of like a really wholesome older man creating something, maybe making a pullover, and the pullover is objectively asked, but he feels like he's giving value, and that's what we're really looking forward here. Of course, it's also really nice to actually, I don't want to hate on the man, but like to provide value, do something where you're creating something. It'll take a nice amount of time away from you consuming something. Yeah, I'm actually gonna start drawing tomorrow. I can show that actually right now. I started drawing before. Back then, I didn't know what the fuck to take for reference, as in like what to draw. Jesus Christ. Okay, that one came straight at me. I don't know, man. I just took a picture of myself there. I felt weird drawing other people, so I just drew myself. Honestly, this looks like a really weird, fucked up anime. First time drawing on my own voluntarily, pretty nice. Yeah, okay, and then we got this picture, which is just kind of fucked up, man. Now that's the body right there. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna start drawing again. And that's another new thing that I want to try. I want to try things that you create. Because you can't just, bro, you can't get happy. You can't feel like you're contributing by just consuming. And maybe one of your family members also started a YouTube channel and you're consuming their content, giving them a fucking thumbs up. Maybe you feel like, oh wow, you're contributing to them right now, but bro, come on. Consuming all the TikTok shit, whatever, you can't feel happy from that. You just feel drained. Implement somehow creation into your day-to-day life. You feel like you did something with that time. And it could be anything, really. Writing, drawing, making YouTube videos, fuck, maybe making a chair, bro. There's so many hobbies. Arty creation, music creation, pottery, workshop, woodworking, man, fucking writing a book. The nice thing with creation again is you can create something and that something can be of great value to somebody else. Maybe you can make a business out of it. You can get some money out of it, because let's be for real, man, we need that money. The actionable step from this video that you can and hopefully will implement is introduce novelty into your day-to-day life. Try something new. Try something new. Maybe not every day, maybe that's too big of a step, but try something new. Maybe go to a new place, new cafe, new restaurant, new gym. Maybe go try a new hobby. Maybe take up your bike that is rusting in your basement. Instead of you getting your groceries at the same grocery store every day, go to a new one. Some form of novelty. Introduce it into your day-to-day life. Minimize your time spent at home as well. You want to put yourself out there, because at home the opportunities aren't as broad as outside where other people are as well. Who knows, man? Maybe you're walking down the street that one day and there's the love of your life. Maybe you're going to that new gym and there's your best friend right there. Future best friend. Man, shit can happen way more when you're outside than when you're inside. That's how I've been experiencing it. 3 months ago, I spent most of my time just in my room. And man, it's so draining. I knew about comfort being one drainer, so I tried to get away from comfort. Didn't use TikTok, no content bullshit, you know? I was left with hella boredom and anxiety about what the fuck am I gonna do next. Minimize time spent at home. Every night I plan the day ahead, keeping in mind I do not want to stay in my room, because my room should only be for sleeping, playing guitar, and reading, man. That's all. I'm chilling. No work, no anxious existential crisis. What the fuck am I gonna do? Just go outside. Go outside. Introduce novelty into your life. Minimize time spent at home. If you do one of these two things, I will be hella grateful. Then this video hasn't just been one of those entertainment consumption videos. And that's actually also one of the big problems with self-improvement. You start watching this shit for entertainment, but the thing is, the difference is same with reading books. You gotta take action. You gotta do the shit they tell you to, man.
Just do it!
Like, you can watch all that shit, but if you don't do any of it, you just wasted your time the same exact way you would have wasted it on TikTok. And now I'm not saying go on TikTok and waste your time there instead of fucking watching self-improvement stuff, because I do believe if you keep on watching self-improvement stuff, at some point you gotta, bro, you gotta make it, you gotta do something. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you would like to see more, this is my latest video right here. You can click on that. See ya.